course, you got that sauce, boy.
All right, so we're now in an Excel Aft suite. This is 15478, and let me give you a room tour. So as you enter, there are lights here for the room, and there's lights. Or this is the temperature, the thermostat. Well, you can do the cold, heat, in here. And then you have a door that there is a toilet and a sink. We're not going to go in here just yet, but we're going to show you the living area. So over here in the living room area, you have your sectional couch. This looks like it's a some shelving right here. Some storage. You have the pictures, so you have table, chair, another table and chairs, you have your lamp. And then you have your television. You have more shelving, this right here. You have a fridge, some more shelving. I mean, it's plenty of it's plenty of space to put anything that you may need in this living room area. Then you have a closet. And in the closet, you have two robes, and you have more shelving and storage area. This room is just wow. It's a wow factor. It's a wow factor. So we're not going to go out to the balcony yet, but we're going to go into the bedroom. I'm going to show you the bedroom, and then we're going to go into the bathroom, and then we're going to go outside. So we're entering into the bedroom, and here is a king size bed. You have a nightstand on the right, then also a nightstand on the left as well. And if you pan in, you have a walk-in closet, a walk-in closet with more storage. And over on this side, you have your television. You have table space with your chair, a vanity. You have outlets right here with USB outlets. You have your US port outlets right here. You have your phone. We have the door open, so it's kind of foggy in here. It's kind of fogged to the windows. And there's a light for the vanity. You have a floor to ceiling mirror with a chair, a small table, and more storage. Of course, they have their reading lamps next to the bed. And next we're going to check out is the bathroom. So as you enter, there is a sliding door from the master bedroom into the bath. You have a huge sink, plenty of storage on the left, and then also on the right. And then you have a huge stand-up shower. You have your rain shower head, and you have a shampoo, conditioner, bath, and shower gel. If you want to look into the shower, I'm assuming these are like shower heads of the shower heads. Wow, I can say wow. And then the clothes, you have the clothesline on the right that will go over to the left if you have anything that's wet. And this is where I showed you from before. You have your toilet, sink, another sink, and more storage area. So we're going to check out is the balcony area. So follow me. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. All right, so huge balcony area. You have access. You have access from your bedroom Also from the living room area, you have a table for 4 huge loungers. You have a huge round lounge bed. Oh my goodness. And then you need to follow me because this is where the magic happens. You have another seating area with tables, another chair, and then look at this. The jacuzzi on the balcony. Wow. When I say wow, this is well worth it. This is in the aft portion, so check out the views. You can look on the side of the ship, all the way in the back of the ship, and then it hangs all the way out. That's the side. It hangs all the way out to the back. Ooh. If you look down below, this is deck 15. And this is summer landing. Once again, this is an Excel Aft suite on Carnival Mardi Gras. 15478. Thank you for this room tour.